Part 2 video bros. Sorry guys. This is a mascara I got in. It's Double Lash Extend. It comes in black, brown, and blue. I'm not really a mascara kind of girl, so for any orders that I get in the month, I always give a little something away, and this is a mascara I'm going to give away this month for any orders that come in. It doesn't matter how much. Got another Darks and Colors laundry soap. Another multi-purpose cleaner. Oh, Joe, I stocked up on my favorite stuff. And then the makeup wipes. I have more stuff coming that's on the way. It's not much, but this is my biggest package that I got in. So I will definitely show you guys all that good stuff. Hope you guys have a good day. You can order from me today, and it's free shipping until tonight, 10:59 Central, 11:59 Eastern. $50 orders get you free shipping. It doesn't matter how much the order is, and I will give away this mascara plus a extra shine lip gloss that I have. I'll show you guys what's really cool about this mascara. It has one wand. There's a reason why it's called Double Lash. And then, oops, I think I'm opening the same part. I didn't use it, I just opened it to show you guys. And then above that pink, it has another wand. Woo! Ta-da! Like I said, it comes in black, blue, and brown. And I believe it is a $20-something value that I'm giving away for free. With any amount order, it doesn't matter. So I hope you guys have a good day. I'm going to get back to taking care of Trista and just hanging around the house today. If I can get this video to stop.